Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to recover deleted photos on any Android phone. Losing important memories can be frustrating, but fortunately, there are several methods to retrieve them. First, it is essential to understand that when you delete a photo on your Android phone, it is not immediately erased from the device. Instead, the space occupied by the photo is marked as available for new data, and the photo remains recoverable until that space is overwritten. To recover deleted photos, you can use a reliable data recovery software. There are many options available, both free and paid, such as DiskDigger, Raycuva, and Dr. Phone. Download and install the software on your computer. Then connect your Android phone to the computer using a USB cable. Once connected, enable USB debugging on your phone by going to Settings, then Developer Options, and finally toggle on USB debugging. This will allow the software to access your phone's internal storage. Next, launch the data recovery software and select the type of files you want to recover. In this case, photos. The software will then scan your phone's internal storage and external memory card, if available, to look for deleted photos. After the scan is complete, the software will display a list of recoverable photos. You can preview the photos to ensure they are the ones you want to recover. Then select the photos and click the Recover button to save them to your computer. Another method to recover deleted photos is by using Google Photos. If you have Google Photos installed on your phone and have enabled the backup and sync feature, your deleted photos may still be available in the Google Photos trash folder. Open Google Photos, go to the menu, then Trash, and look for the deleted photos. You can restore the photos from the trash folder to your phone's gallery. It is crucial to act quickly when trying to recover deleted photos, as the sooner you attempt to recover them, the higher the chances of successful recovery. Additionally, avoid using your phone after deleting the photos, as this can overwrite the space occupied by the deleted photos and make them unrecoverable. In conclusion, recovering deleted photos on an Android phone is a relatively straightforward process that can be achieved using data recovery software or Google Photos. By following these steps and acting quickly, you can retrieve your lost memories and avoid the frustration of permanently losing important photos. Remember to always back up your photos regularly to prevent data loss in the future.